Good morning, students. We will continue our chapter, The Proposal. Chubuko, what is the matter now? Natalia, Papa, tell us truly, which is the better dog, our squeezer or his guest? Now, Chubuko enters and he asks, what is the matter? Why you are in trouble now? Natalia, Papa, please tell, which is the better dog, our squeezer or his guest? Lomo, Stepan Stepanovich, I implore you to tell me just one thing. Is your squeezer overshot or not? Yes or no? Now Lomo, he asked the person, Stepan Stepanovich, I implore you to tell me, please tell me just one thing. Now he asked the question, is your squeezer overshot or not? Please reply me. Your answer will be yes or no. Chubuko, and suppose he is, what does it matter? He is the best dog in the district for all that and so on. Now Chubuko, he says, and suppose he is, what will be, what does it matter? If, and suppose he is, suppose the dog is the best one, the dog, and what does it matter? It doesn't matter. He is the best dog in the district for all that and so on. Lomo, but isn't my guess better? Really now. The person, he was firm that his dog was better. Chubuko, don't excite yourself, my precious one. Allow me. Your guest certainly has his good points. Now Chubuko, he said, don't be excited, my precious one. Please allow me to speak. Your guest certainly has good qualities, has good points. He is purebred, firm on his feet, has well sprung ribs and all that. Now he describes his qualities. He says he is purebred. He is firm on his feet, he has well sprung ribs and all that. But my dear man, if you want to know the truth, that dog has two defects. But he has two defects also. And the defects are, he is old and he is short in the muzzle. These are the two defects. Lomo, excuse me, my heart. Let us take the facts. You will remember that on the Marusinski hunt, my guest ran neck and neck with the Count's dog, while your squeezer was left, a hole was behind. Now he reminds the person, excuse me sir, I want to remember one fact. Let us take the facts, that you will remember that one time on the Marusinski hunt, my guest, my dog, he ran neck and neck with the Count's dog, while your squeezer, he was left, a hole was behind. Chubuko, he got left behind because the Count's whipper in hit him with his whip. Now he clears the reason. He says he got left behind because the reason was the Count's whipper in hit him with his whip. Lomo, and with good reason. The dogs are running after a fox when squeezer goes and starts worrying asleep. Now he clears the point and he says the reason was the dog are running after a fox and squeezer he starts worrying a sheep. Chubuko, it's not true. Now he says it's not true. My dear fellow, I am very liable to lose my temper, and so just because of that, let us stop arguing. Now he says it's not true. My dear fellow, as I am very liable to lose my temper, I may lose my temper, so let us stop arguing. Chubuko, you started because everybody is always jealous of everybody else's dogs. Now he clears the point. He says, you started because everybody is jealous for the others' dogs. Everybody is always jealous of everybody else's dogs. Yes, we are all like that. It is human quality. You too, sir, aren't blameless. You no sooner begin with this, that and the other and all that, I remember everything. Now he clears the point that you are jealous, so that is the reason you are saying these words. Lomo, I remember too. Lomo, I also remember. Chubuko, teasing him, I remember too. What do you remember? Lomo, my heart, my foot's gone to sleep, I can't. Again, Lomo, my heart. Again he says, my heart is palpitating, my foot's gone to sleep, I can't. Natalia, teasing, my heart. What sort of a hunter are you? Again and again you are repeating, my heart, my heart. What sort of a hunter are you? You ought to go and lie on the kitchen oven and catch black beetles, not go after foxes, my heart. Now she teases the person. She says, you ought to go to the kitchen and lie on the kitchen oven, and you should catch black beetles and not go after foxes. You are not a good hunter, my heart. Chubuko, yes, really. What sort of a hunter are you anyway? You ought to sit at home with your palpitation. Now Chubuko, he also teases the person. He says, yes, really. What sort of a hunter are you? Anyway, you ought to sit at home with your palpitations. Again and again you says, my heart is palpitating, so you should sit at home and not go tracking animals. You could go hunting, but you only go to argue with people and interfere with their dogs and so on. You are not a good hunter. You could go hunting, but you only go to argue with people. You always argue with people and interfere with their dogs and so on. Let us change the subject in case I lose my temper. Now he says, stop arguing. Let us change the subject. Let us change the topic in case I lose my temper. You are not a hunter at all anyway. Now again he repeats his words. He says, you are not a hunter at all anyway. Lomo, and are you a hunter? You only go hunting to get in with the count and to intrigue. Oh my heart, you are an intriguer. Now Lomo, he says, you think you are a hunter? You only go hunting to get in with the count and to intrigue. That is the reason. Oh my heart, you are an intriguer. You are not a good person. Chubuko, what? I am an intriguer? Shouts, shut up. When the person calls him an intriguer, he says, what? I am not an intriguer. Shut up. Lomo, no, you are an intriguer. Chubuko, boy, pup. Now he calls a person pup. Lomo, old rat, Jesuit. Now Lomo, he calls the person old rat. Chubuko, shut up and I will shoot you like a partridge, you fool. Now Chubuko, he says, shut up, or will you please keep quiet, or I will shoot you like a partridge. You are a fool. Lomo, everybody knows that, oh my heart. Now Lomo again repeats. He says, everybody knows that, oh my heart. Your late wife used to beat you. My feet, temples, sparks, I fall, I fall. Again he says, my heart is palpitating. Your late wife, she used to beat you. My feet, temples, sparkles, I will fall, I will fall. So he was unable to control Chubuko, and you are under the sleeper of your housekeeper. Again the person is blaming. He says, you are under the sleeper of your housekeeper. Lomo, there, there, my heart's burst. Again, he repeats, my heart's burst, my shoulders come off. Where is my shoulder? I die. The person was not feeling well. He says, where is my shoulder? I die. Falls into an armchair, a doctor. He suddenly falls into an armchair and he says, a doctor. Chubuko, boy, milk soap, fool, I am sick, drinks water, sick. Chubuko, he says, you are a fool, I am sick, he drinks water, sick. We will continue our chapter tomorrow.